Here's an exclusive. Samsung's Trifold tablet, the Galaxy Z Fold Tab, Q1 2022.
Okay.
A trifold, you know what that is? That's a pamphlet. That's the Samsung pamphlet.
Mm.
You ever had a pamphlet?
Did I own one?
No, like did someone hand you one? You know, like it could be like a menu or it could be like
Yes, many times.
many times.
It's kind of tricky when you got to mail something and fold it in that pamphlet style.
Yeah, to get it all
can get
equal.
hectic. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
Yeah.
I hear you.
It's easier to get Samsung to do it for you
Much
Yeah.
easier.
with a trifold
Way
Z Fold
easier.
tab. Well, this is interesting to me because I've been looking at the previous folding products from Samsung kind of as tablets anyway, because I always unfolded it. I basically never use it folded up. And so then you start to think, well, okay, if it gets used most of the time as a tablet, then the folded portion is only for transport. At least that's what's for me. It was just to get it in the pocket. But then you think, okay, well, if it's only for transport, then why does the scale have to stop there?
Mm-hmm.
But when it's folded up, I mean, it's large in your pocket, but it's not as large as it could be. So once you get to trifold in there, and if you can make it a little bit thinner, I guess it's going to have
Is
to...
it too much work, though?
To unfold it? Well, it's
Yeah.
not trying... In this case, it's not trying to be your phone.
Right.
So
You're not going to take it out every single time.
it's just going to be a tablet that travels a bit better.
I see.
Think about the opportunity, with the fold and with the flip phones, like the Motorola Razr. Think about like how satisfying it is to hang up on someone, or like you close, the meeting is over and you get to slap it shut. Now you get two with that fold, the trifold.
Two slaps.
You could be dramatic with it.
Mm-hmm. Gizmo China has partnered with tipster Yogesh to bring you...
What are you laughing about? What are you laughing about?
It sounds like some sort of a production, like a hit movie coming out this summer.
Yeah.
Epic leaking. Gizmo China partnered with tipster Yogesh to bring you the fresh new leak
From the producers of The Last Leak.
in a world. Yeah. Anyway, shout out Yogesh. Shout out Gizmo China. They claim it's not going to be for a bit. Q1 2022. So we'll have to wait and see. But I'm all for larger folding devices. I say why not?
Mm-hmm.
It's less of a why and more of a why not. If you're going to use a tablet, it can be a little unwieldy. You got to take a bag now. It's either under your arm or you're taking a bag.
Mm-hmm.
I want a tablet in my pocket.
Yeah.
I got big pockets. I can deal.
Yeah, you'll figure it out.
Yeah, the thing I love about this segment, like we kind of were talking about it yesterday, we were talking about Sony, and even with LG exiting the cell phone thing, the thing that I like about this segment is that people are trying. They're always trying. They're so enthusiastic and optimistic to try new things and exciting things. There's always something new coming out. Well, it's not like that in other.
No, you can't blame them.
Yeah, it's not
Can't
like that
blame
in
'em.
other segments. Like in the automobile segment, maybe they have to do a lot of R&D and marketing and stuff like that.
I never saw Will this comfortable before in my entire life.
It's a Friday.
He's
It's very
looking comfy.
casual. I would
Maybe
say.
it's the chocolate milk. He had a chocolate milk before.
Yeah. Hepped up on sugar, just like a kid. What kind of show is this? This is supposed to be a news show.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why that got you going so much, but Kirk's right. You got to put out something. You got to put out lots of things constantly. Is a similar fashion on a way, way lower scale to us, and the feeling if you don't post something, you don't shoot something. It's like, what are we doing then? What are we doing around here? You got to be like that next output, and if you're at Samsung, that next output, it better be there, and it better be something that you think has a shot at selling. That's how it works. Is so you start folding things. Next thing you got to try fold, and all of a sudden, bingo, there you go.
Yeah, let her rip and see how it goes.